Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Toyota Tundra louder. We'll dive into various methods to enhance your truck's exhaust note, giving it that powerful rumble you desire. From simple muffler swaps to full catback systems, there are many options to consider. It's important to understand how each modification affects both sound and performance, ensuring you choose the best fit for your Tundra and your preferences. Let's look at the key components that influence your Tundra's sound. A catback exhaust system is a popular choice, replacing everything from the catalytic converter rearward. Swapping out your stock muffler for an aftermarket one is another effective way to increase volume and change the tone. Additionally, some systems include resonators, which help to fine-tune the sound, often reducing interior drone without sacrificing exterior loudness. Beyond just the exhaust, other modifications can also contribute to a louder Tundra. Upgrading to aftermarket headers can improve exhaust scavenging, leading to a more aggressive sound and potential horsepower gains. A cold air intake system not only increases engine induction noise, but can also provide a slight performance bump. For the best results and to avoid issues, professional installation of these components is highly recommended. When choosing your upgrade, research is key. Listen to sound clips and read reviews of various exhaust systems to find the tone you prefer. Consider your budget, as prices can range from a few $100s for a muffler to over $1,000 for a full catback system. Remember to factor in installation costs too. For those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.